What's up, everybody? Tech Mindset here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin an app to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen in Windows 11. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this, but I'm going to show you two quick ways. So the first method is, let's say I have something that's already open, like this sample text document. At the bottom here is the text document. If I right click on this and then click Pin to Taskbar, when I close this, there'll now be an icon down here. Now my look is a little bit different. I've made some customizations to Windows 11, but it should still work the same for you. And now with this notepad icon, if I click it, it opens up a new one. So I can do the same thing with this sample Word document and this sample spreadsheet. Open it up, right click, pin to taskbar, and then I can close it. And now there's Word. So now I can go to the spreadsheet and do the same thing. And now I have Notepad, Word, and Excel all on the bottom of my screen here. And when you want to get rid of them, just right click on the icon and then click Unpin from Taskbar. Boom. Boom. And boom. Now, the next method here is to click on your Windows icon in the bottom left to open up your Start menu and find the icon you want. So here's Notepad, right click it, pin to Taskbar. I can go to Word, right click, pin to taskbar, and Excel, right click, pin to taskbar. And now I have all three down here again. So there you have it, 2 ways to pin an app to your taskbar. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.